T-Mobile Unlock Error 1007 signals your device is ineligible for unlocking. This prevents using your T-Mobile device on other carriers. The primary causes include unmet eligibility requirements, like the device not being fully paid off, the account not being active for the required duration, 40 days on prepaid plans, or 12 months on postpaid plans, though sometimes earlier, or outstanding balances and account holds. It could also stem from system glitches, IMEI mismatches, stolen device flags, or regional restrictions. T-Mobile policy states unlocks are free for eligible devices, but back-end validations often trigger this error. To fix error 17, first verify your device and account eligibility through the T-Mobile app or website. Ensure your account is in good standing with no holds or unpaid bills. Pay any outstanding balances immediately and wait up to 48 hours for the system to update. If eligible, retry the unlock request, waiting 24 hours between attempts to avoid permanent blocks. If the error persists, contact T-Mobile support via chat, phone, or in-store. Be prepared to provide proof of purchase or account details. If a fraud alert is in place, verify your identity to clear the hold. Keep in mind that 65% of unlock errors are resolved via self-service, but 35% require live support.